Good morning everyone. As you all know that in last class we will discuss our models chapter, model part 1 and model part 2. Now today we discuss our model part 3rd. Okay. So up to where we completed? Up to, I think we completed up to could. Okay. Now today we discuss will, use of will. Use of will is also very important. Okay. So write down use of will. Okay. So use of will is also important in everywhere. Okay. So write down first definition. Besides being a primary, besides being a primary auxiliaries, besides being a primary auxiliaries, will also act as mood indicating, as mood indicating, as mood indicating or modal auxiliary, or modal auxiliaries or modal auxiliaries verb is used in the following with I and we. In last class also I told you this, means in last class we will discuss up to here. Okay. So what is the use of will? Besides being a primary auxiliaries, will also acts as mood indicating or modal auxiliaries verb is used in the following with I and we. Okay. Now, next is where we use will. Okay. Very important question comes in our mind, that where we use will. Clear? So, where we use will, first of all, to express promise. Okay. Where we use will? To express promise. To express promise. Promise करने के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? We will use will. Okay. I, suppose example, I will accompany you to Jaipur. Okay. I will accompany you to Jaipur. So this is our promise, to express promise. Okay. Second point is what? To express determination. Okay. To express determination. To express determination. Okay. So what is the example of determination? What is the example of determination? I will go to Agra. I will go to Agra. Or one more example you write. We will fight against injustice. We will fight against injustice. Okay. So first example is what? I will go to Agra, and second example is what? We will fight against injustice. Clear? So this is our where we use will. Now another point is what? To express threat. Okay. To express threat. To express threat. Threat means dhamki dena. Okay. Some students don't know about the threat. Okay. So threat meaning is dhamki. Okay. So what is the example of threat? I will arrest you. Okay. तो अरेस्ट करने की धमकी दे दी उसको. So this way we use our will, our modal will. Clear? Next, so first point is what? To express promise. Second is to express determination. And third is what? To express threat. Okay? To express promise, determination, and to express threat. Now D. Our D point. Now use of will, D point. Okay? Now our D point is to express willingness. Okay? For willingness. To express willingness. Willingness के लिए भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Our will. Okay? So to express willingness. तो एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा इसका? I will join the army after 2 years. I will join the army after 2 years. So ये क्या दिखा रहा है? This shows the willingness. Okay? What this show? This shows the willingness. And what we use? With I we use will. Clear? So to express promise, to express determination, to express threat, to express willingness, and to ask politely in affirmative way. Okay? So our E point is what? To ask politely, in affirmative way. In affirmative way. To ask politely in affirmative way. Clear? So, what is the example of this? Write down. I will bring you tea. I will bring you tea or coffee. I will bring you tea or coffee, whichever you like. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We ask whichever you like. तो हम इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? We ask politely but in affirmative way, in positive way. कि आपको टी पसंद है या आप कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे? So what we ask? We ask in a politely or in a affirmative way. So these are the uses of will. Okay? So where we use will, these are the main important points of will. Okay? In negative sense what we use? In negative sense में हम क्या करते हैं? In negative sense we use will not. We use will, क्या use करते हैं हम? Will not or want. In place of will क्या use करेंगे हम? In negative sense में will not or want. Now you all understand where we use will. Okay? So only do one thing, read these points and then you fill exercise of will. Clear? So here our will exercise is completed. Will use is completed. Okay? So what is the D point? To express willingness, to ask politely in affirmative way, or in case of negative sense we use will. In place of will not or want. Is that clear? Okay. Now next we will discuss use of shall. Next we will discuss use of shall. Next point is use of shall. Okay. This is also very important. Okay. Use of shall is also very important. Shall acts as modal auxiliaries shall use as modal auxiliaries when used with the second person you, when used with second person, use with second person you or third person or third person subjects, third person third person subjects, third person subjects, he, she, it, they, etc. Okay, it expresses the mood or sense of promises. It express the mood, sense of mood or sense of promise, order, legal notice and determination. Promise, order, legal notice and determination, etc. Now, question comes in mind that ma'am, will we use, determination we use in case of will also and in case of shall also. So, how we know that where we use will and where we use shall? Simple, with I and we use will, and with you and with third person he, she, it, they, we use shall. Okay. And another one, promise also. Okay. Same way, order, legal notice and determination. If these type of 5 words come in a sentence, then what we use? We use with them, what we use? Shall. Okay. With these we use shall. Clear? So, now write down example. You shall get a prize for this bravery. Another example, write down. He shall not attend the class. He shall not attend the class. Now, trespassers shall be punished. Trespassers shall be punished. These are the examples of shall. Okay. Means promise, after that order, then legal notice, after that determination. You shall help her. So these are the example of use of shall, where we use our shall. Use of shall is clear. In case of negative sense, what we use in case of negative sense? Negative, we use, what we use in negative sense? Same as shall not or. Remember one thing, in place of will we use won't, but in place of shall what we use? Shan't. ये कब यूज करेंगे हम? In case of negative sentence. Suppose, see here, he shall not attend the class. In place of shall not, we can also write shan't also. Okay? In place of shall not, हम shan't भी use कर सकते थे. So, this is the use of shall model. Clear? This is our use of shall. Hey, this way we use shall. Okay? Now, next is our must. Next is our use of must. That is also very important. Next is our use of must. Now, where we use must, the modal auxiliary verb, this is also modal auxiliary verb. The modal auxiliary verb must is used in following since in present tense, since is in present tense, in present tense. Now how we use this must? Okay, where we use? First of all, where we use? With compulsion, necessity, compulsion, necessity, obligation, compulsion, necessity, obligation, strong possibility, strong possibility, strong possibility, strong advice, strong possibility, strong advice, and logical inference, etc. लॉजिकली कोई बात करते हैं तो हम उसमें भी मस्ट का यूज करते हैं. सो वेयर वी यूज मस्ट? विथ कंपल्शन, नेसेसिटी, ऑब्लिगेशन, स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी, स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवाइस, लॉजिकल इन्फ्रेंसेस. नाउ वी कैन सी एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we must first see example line wise. Okay, so we must reach school, we must reach school in time. This is our compulsion. What is this? This is our compulsion. Okay, next example is what? Next example is our strong possibility. Okay, so they are in a new dress, they must be going in a party. स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी है ना, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी है कि अगर न्यू ड्रेस पहनी है तो वो शायद मीन्स वहाँ जाएगा, पार्टी में जाने के लिए ही पहनी होगी, तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी है. ओके, दिस शोज द स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज you must stay where you are. You must stay where you are. This is order also included in this must. Okay, now next, you are getting late. You must hire a taxi. This is what? This is strong advice. Okay, ये क्या है? This is strong advice. Clear? This is the strong advice. Next, another example, write down. Logical inferences. Okay, example of logical inferences. Logical inferences is Hari is an intelligent boy and he must got first division. Hari is an intelligent boy, he must got first division. He must got first division. What is this? This is our logical inferences. ये क्या है? Logical inferences. This is our logical inference. Clear? So here our must use is also completed. Clear? So everyone understand will use, shall use and must use. Now in another class we will discuss our another models. Okay, so our today's class is over here. Up to here you all note down in your fair notebook in proper manner and in proper handwriting. Clear? And try to fill your book exercise also. Clear? So your diary work is fill book exercise. Fill exercise of models. Fill exercise of models. Clear? So this is your diary work. Okay. Now thank you and have a nice day.